Okay, so we're going to move on with our video now. We're going to do the sun and the sky. So let's change view here. And I'm going to move here. Now, with the sky here, we really can't see it too well, so we're going to have to guess a little bit of where it is. So we're going to use our guides to do this. So I'll start out here with an anchor point, and since this is a curve, we'll click and drag, and we're going to drag along the guide. And this is where your skill with the pen tool comes in handy. I'm trying to get right there. There we go. All right, and remember, you don't want too many anchor points because if you do have a lot of anchor points, it will look very bouncy. So I'm going to change direction here. So I'm holding my Alt key down, and I'm going to click here and go around here like that and come down here. And these are going to be straight here. And I'll come back and fix them up when we change. Okay, so here we're going to curve around. We've got kind of a pretty broad curve there. And I'll hit my anchor point there and come down here. Can't get quite there. Okay. And there we go. All right, well, I can see already I have to change that point, and I will hit my anchor point, my Alt key, and close. Okay, so now with my eye, I can see that there's a few things I want to change. So I'll just go to that anchor point and use my arrow key to bring that down. And this needs to come down a little bit also. There we go. And the handle needs to come up a little bit. There we go. Oh, much better. Okay, let's change views and see how this looks. Well, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. We'll move this just a little so that it matches that. Okay. And this can come up just a little bit, as can this come over to the right and then down. Very good. Okay, that looks pretty darn good, I would say. We can move this over. Actually, we can choose both of these points here and move them over, and this one over just a little. Very nice. Okay, that looks great. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is the sun. And so let's preview this. All right, that looks quite nice. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to do the sun, but we really don't know where the sun is. So we're just going to draw along these lines, and in the outline view, so we'll come here and I will click here and make and my goal is to make about 2 points between the sky and this. And if I'm not exactly correct, well, you know, I can come back and use my group selection tool to fix it. Okay, so I'll come in here and come straight down here and close. Shift key down and close. Okay, so now I will tweak this with the group selection, the direct selection tool. Okay, let me come down here. And here I think this could come down. All right, good. These 2 points probably can come over just ever so slightly. An amount. That looks right. And I'm going to just select that and bring that down. And these 2 points can probably come over to the right just slightly. Very good. All right. And this anchor point will come down. Okay, that looks right. And we will take this and move that up. And I'd say we have it. Maybe just a little more up. Let's see. There we go. All right. I'd say we have it. Okay. So now that we have this all done, now it is time to color it. So we look at our form here, and the background, we will select the back. I'll just do Control minus here. And I like to color it in this view. So I'm choosing the black color here, the back one, and that is red. Okay. The next one is white. Here we go. And the lake here is the blue. And the grass in front of it is the green. And the sun is, and I'm selecting the sun here, is the yellow. And the silo is red. And so is the barn. But the the roof is green. I believe that's what it says there. Yes, it is. It's green. Now, when we get to the sky, I'm going to select both pieces of the sky. It says that it is 50% Pantone of the blue. So let's go here, and we're going to choose our colors here. And you see the color guide comes up. And let's see, we need to get the color. Let's get the swatches up. Why isn't this showing? Let's see if we can show options. There we go. Okay, so we show options. And up here where it says Pantone Process Blue, we put in 50%. You see, for those two. And this is how it looks. Okay, so we've got that part of our logo done. The next part is going to be the type.